What if gravity suddenly stopped? No warning, just instant weightlessness. On a busy street, people begin to float, rising slowly above the ground. A parked car lifts off the road, dust drifting beneath it. Inside a kitchen, plates, spoons, and glasses slip into the air, while water breaks into floating droplets. In a classroom, books, pens, and chairs rise as students stare in shock. A dog drifts upward as its owner reaches, trying to hold on. Within seconds, the chaos spreads. Cars hang above intersections, frozen in midair. Along the coast, ocean water rises like a wall into the sky. A subway train lifts from its tracks, sparks flickering below. People grab poles, walls, and railings, fighting not to float away. Inside homes, sofas, tables, and televisions drift around the room. In hospitals, machines and equipment rise as doctors struggle to stay grounded. Highways fill with floating motorcycles and vehicles, while outside skyscrapers, even airplanes drift without control. Soon, entire cities turn into fields of floating debris, glass, metal, and dust, surrounding tall buildings. At intersections, people and cars hang in every direction. In stadiums, crowds begin to lift from their seats. Rivers reverse, flowing upward into the sky. At airports, luggage and passengers float in confusion, while power lines stretch and spark above the streets. Now, survival becomes instinct. A man clings to a metal pole as his body lifts. A family grips a sofa while objects spin around them. A child holds tightly to a parent, both drifting slightly. Inside an elevator, people press against the walls, trying to stay in place. Emergency responders struggle to anchor themselves in the chaos. Then, after 60 seconds, everything stops. Gravity returns. Cars fall from the sky. People drop back to the ground. Debris crashes down in a violent wave. The city shakes as dust fills the air, and silence follows. Because the real danger was never the moment you started to float, it was always the fall.